This is not my everyday breakfast, but when we visit my husband's parents in Japan, it becomes something a little more special. Both of my in-laws are working today, and it's raining outside. So we are staying in. So this morning, we are taking it slow and enjoying a quiet, relaxed breakfast together. A traditional Japanese breakfast usually includes rice, soup, protein, vegetable, and fermented foods. It might look like a lot, but each dish is actually very simple. Compared to our typical Western breakfast, this style is lower in sugar and includes more fiber and fermented foods, which helps support digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied for longer. I start by cooking rice with barley that I soaked overnight. Barley has fiber and helps support digestion, and it's something I like to include when I can. There's something really confirming about the smell of freshly cooked rice. It already makes the kitchen feel warm and calm. While the rice is cooking, I start by making a simple dash broth. I just add the whole dash pack into the pot, include the contents inside, so I can get more of the nutrients. Then I make a simple miso soup with tofu and seaweed. Miso is a fermented food, which is gentle on the gut. One small tip is not to boil the miso too much, so you can keep more of its beneficial properties. It's very simple soup, but it's added warmth and balance to the meal. I also steam some broccoli on the side. Instead of boiling it, I use a small amount of water to gently steam it, because vitamin C can be lost when vegetables are boiled. In Japanese meal, vegetables are often prepared very simply, so you can enjoy their natural flavor. Then I cook a piece of salmon. In Japan, fish is a very common source of protein, and many kitchens are designed with a fish grill. It's also quite typical to eat fish in the morning. It's a great source of protein and healthy fat, which help keep you satisfied without feeling too heavy. I also make a simple Japanese rolled omelet, tamagoyaki. It added a little sweetness and makes the meal feel more comforting. It might look messy at first, but it comes together nicely in the end. And even if it's not perfect, it still tastes good. For the side, I added natto and mekabu. Natto can be an acquired taste, especially if you are not used to it. But it's very rich in nutrients and great for gut health. Mekabu is a type of seaweed with a unique, slightly slippery texture, and it's a great source of soluble fiber. You can enjoy it as it is or serve it over rice. These small dishes bring different textures and make the meal more balanced. And that's it. For my kids, I use this onigiri shaker to make small rice balls. They are easy to eat, even for little hands. A simple Japanese breakfast with a variety of nutrients and flavors. I like to balance colors and textures, so the meal feels satisfying even before eating. Let's eat! Itadakimasu! The miso soup feels really comforting in the morning. And the salmon adds a nice richness that pairs well with the rice. Each dish is simple, but together they create a very balanced meal. This isn't something we eat every day, but on slower days like this, it feels really special to sit down and enjoy a relaxed breakfast together as a family. It's not about making it perfect, but about creating a small balance in each meal. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse of our Japanese breakfast at home. See you in the next video.